Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your crypto from Telegram wallet into your LBANK account. By the way, if you haven't signed up on LBANK, check the video description for the sign up link to register. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Telegram wallet, choose the crypto you want to transfer. Let me pick USDT or dollars. Then you click on the send button. Here you have three options: your Telegram contact, your external wallet, or your TAN space. Since we will send it to LBANK, you pick external wallet. Here you paste your external deposit address from LBANK. Go to your LBANK account. Let me open mine. Go to the wallet tab and select deposit. Choose the same crypto. On my end, I will deposit USDT. Telegram wallet supports the TRC20 and TAN networks for USDT. Let me pick TAN network. Here you can scan the QR code or copy your deposit address. Let me copy mine. Go back to your Telegram wallet and paste your deposit address here from LBANK. The network will be auto-selected, but if it's not, make sure to choose the same network. Tap on Continue. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Click Continue. Now it's asking for a memo or tag. Go back to LBANK again. Copy your memo. Return to Telegram wallet and paste it here. Make sure to double check if everything is correct, as the process is irreversible. The transfer fee under TAN network will be $1 USDT only. Once all is set, you tap confirm and send. Awesome! My withdrawal request has been submitted. Let's wait for a few minutes for it to arrive on my LBANK account.
A few minutes later.
After a few minutes, I've checked my LBANK app and my deposit has been successfully added. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.